Top That Trade is here. Joining us now, Phil Flynn, a Fox Business Network contributor, and Alan Nuckman, an options trading pro. Here we go, guys. Round number one, DB boom. Deutsche Bank says global asset prices have reached lofty levels, the highest in history. Do you buy this?
My first question is, so? Isn't that good? Is that what we want?
My first question is no. On what basis is he? How's he measuring this thing?
Lofty asset levels?
The most lofty
you don't want
they've been
low
in
levels.
history.
You want high levels. If
Right.
you're in, you want your assets
Lofty
to be worth a lot.
is good, but I mean, what is he basing his model off of that we're so overpriced? You know, if you based it off his models, we've been overpriced for the last 3 years.
Exactly. So you missed out on opportunity. I want to shoot the messenger. I want to shoot Deutsche Bank here.
Why?
Deutsche Bank has been trading between 16 and 20 now for almost a year. It's down to the 16 level. I think it's a good value down here one more time. This is a bank that got beaten up. I think it could bounce back.
But listen, I do believe that you're right about that, but I also think there is some caution here. This market's been going up. But one of the things I've lived through a lot of bubbles, a lot of markets. Usually when the market is getting ready to crash, it's when nobody is bearish, when nobody's giving you warning signs, when everybody's been wrong and you start going parabolic. That's when they get scared.
The consumer confidence number was, I think, an all-time record high, though. So that is somewhat cautionary as well. But, hey, we say this all the time. Markets can still go a lot higher than what you think.
I think consumer confidence was high because gas prices were down, but then they went back up. We'll see next week.
Round number two, shoe in. Adidas has sneaked past the Jordan brand. What's the better buy, Nike or Adidas?
Adidas!
That's how they say it
in Europe.
Yeah.
Adidas.
You're very cosmopolitan.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that. But wait a second. If Nike's best-selling shoe is on a basketball player, I bet one of the greatest of all time, that hasn't played for 20 years, maybe they need to find somebody new. Maybe a Nike sneaker.
No. This whole thing comes back down to the Kardashian family.
Is that what it is?
It's a Kardashian family. So Kardashian 2.0. Kendall Jenner signed with Adidas just a couple months ago. Their sales are up 20% since June. So she's got 85 million Instagram users and 25 million Twitter users. So Adidas bought Kendall Jenner, so that's going to boost it. Those are trendy. The kids like them.
I'm going to come out in favor of Adidas in a strong way, but now I'm going to change my mind. Is that possible? But, you know, what does Kendall Jackson or Kendall Jenner have to do with the gym shoes?
She can sell anything.
She can sell anything.
She can sell anything. And Adidas is up 40% year to date. Nike's essentially unchanged. So from a value standpoint, maybe Nike can play some catch up, but
no, I think the problem
momentum
with Nike
is with Adidas.
It is, and that chart looks really good. I think you go long Adidas, short Nike. Nike's having some problems. They really haven't sold stuff. The cool factor, I talked to the young kids, and they're saying Adidas is getting that cool factor, or Adidas. So I think they've got something going on that I think.
Out with the old and with the new. Actually, Adidas used to be hip when I was a kid in the 80s and 90s. Really? I had Adidas supersized shoes. Fashion, everything comes full circle.
Back of the
full
turn of the century. There you go.
On to round number three, Sam I Am. Shares of Boston Beer are down 10% for the year. Meantime, there are 5,000 craft breweries in the U.S. Is this a beer peak that's here, or shall I say a beer bubble?
No, I don't think so. I think craft beers are here to stay. They've had a little bit of a pullback here, but Boston Beer Company, of course, the Sam Adams.
It's a great story.
Fall story. What is it? Their fall beer is coming out, and that's one of their biggest sellers for a year. But
plus,
I
September is Oktoberfest.
It is. It's usually a big month, so that's a good time to buy.
And it's football, so there's always a good excuse to drink beer. I don't think beer's ever going to have a problem. What I wanted to roll this into was peak oil. Remember how we used to talk about peak oil?
Right.
Oil now is above 50. We're at the highest level since May. It looks like we're going to try and push up to 53, possibly 55. So, as we've said before, oil is not over.
Oil is not over. And you know,
beer's not over, and oil's not over.
Remember the old thing, peak oil, the world's running out of oil? Now they're coming out with peak demand, that we're going to not need as much oil because of cars and everything else. And the question I have is, where's most of the demand growth for cars going to be in the future? Let's say India goes all electric. That's great, but where are they going to charge them? It's going to take billions of dollars of infrastructure spending to go all electric. So don't worry about peak demand in oil anytime soon.
Now on to your bonus round question for today. It is time to say so long to summer and hello to fall. Can you pick the fake ticker symbol? Is it Leaf, L-E-A-F, Apple, A-A-P-L, or Frost, F-R-O-S-T?
What was the last one? I didn't hear.
Frost.
Frost. F-R-O-S-T?
That's too many letters. F-R-O-S-T. Well, it could be, I guess, but no.
No frost. I say frost is a freeze out. Frost is out. Frost is a phony.
Alan.
Well, that seems too easy, so I'm going to go with Leaf.
No, I think Leaf is a real one.
No, I don't think so.
Let's see.
Leaf is a real answer. The fake was Frost.
I think he got frozen out again. Let it go. Let it go. Frost, you're
Let
out.
it snow.
Let it go.
Let it snow.
Let it go.
Good job, guys. Business First continues right after this. Thanks so much for being here.